Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to explain Regex with excluding character. So what does it mean? It means like it should not start with either this value, either with some specific character, or should not end with some specific character. So let's see practically. So in the previous video I was checking the result where first name should start with some character or last name should start with some character, but in this video we will check first name or last name should not start with some character. So here I don't want to see the result where result end with E character, so I will give this E and then not include character. See, yeah, so here we can see we have the result where it is getting end with R. So let's see R only. So I should not get this result, like any of the result where it ends with R. So we don't have any result where first name ends with R. Similarly, we can give E. So now I want to see the result where first name end with E, but second last letter is not R. Let's see. We can see we have the last letter is E, but second last letter is not R. So if I give here, then now I will see the result where where last and second last letter is not R and E, means last letter should not be E and second last letter should not be R. Let's see, means it should not end with RE. We can see it is not getting end with RE. We don't have any result where it is getting end with RE. Similarly, we can check for start letter also. Let's see. If I give A, then I will get the result where it is getting start with A. But when I give this character, it should not start with A. We don't have any of the result where first name is getting start with A. Similarly, we can give some other character, like it should not, first letter should not be A and second letter also should not be anything like M. Let's see. We don't have any value. So here we can see the first letter is J and O. So if I give J here, means first letter should not be J, and if I give O here, then second letter should not be O. So when I execute this query, I should not get this result. Let's see. Now we don't have Joe. So like that we can practice for multiple example. So in the next video I will explain Regex with some specific pattern. Thank you.